I'm doing Animal Company today. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna be going mining. I might have a tablet, but we're gonna be going mining anyway, see what stuff we can get. Come on. Have you just bought the rocket, shouldn't we?
I had mined in this cave before. It took me like 20 minutes to get out.
20 minutes, dude? That's crazy.
No, because we were stuck all the way at the bottom.
There's two different holes. There's this hole,
Yeah.
and the hole all at the bottom. Look at me. By the way, when we're running now, I'm just gonna cut this part out. Yeah, this is my first video, by the way, so I might not get any views. With the purple crystal there, I'm gonna go mine easier. Just for fun.
I found gold.
Okay. They're probably not gonna do them. Alright, follow me.
Yeah, I see gold.
There's gold, there's gold. Over here.
Yeah.
Okay, there's a little ore there. Let's try these.
You get 3 pieces, I get 2 pieces.
Now you can have them all. I got a crit. Yeah, hello. I'm 5 red, I'm 5 red. Okay, I got a big piece out. Okay. Oh. You died? Sorry, bro. Don't, I'm recording the video.
Go, 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 go!
Mama! I'll move this. I can't end the video.
Wanna fight it?
Oh, the spider's coming, bro. Kill it! Yes.
Ooh!
You have to get my life. Oh, shit.
You could sell that.
Oh, I put the wrong thing in my bag. Where'd you go?
I'm behind you. Yeah, there's some way to get out of here.
Did you shoot yourself?
Yeah, don't touch this.
The gold's not down there. Just don't mind the guy stuck down here. He doesn't do anything.
Yeah. He's actually really strong.
Yeah.
You can beat you.
I was trying to go to mountain up, went straight into him.
Crystal coin.
I went the wrong way. You got a crystal?
Yeah, I got a purple crystal from the goat.
Sick, dude. Drop down.
I'm gonna go down.
Spider on me, spider on me. Uh-oh. Pretty humongous.
Hello?
Yeah, hello?
Yuri?
Yeah. I got a lot of gold on me. I just got some Animal Company coins. I died, bro. I died.
You died?
I'm just gonna get a torch and run straight in. I'm back in the mines already. I'm down a big hole.
I'm still at my same position.
If a spider comes at me, I have no weapons, by the way. Can I go through here? I think it did. Yeah, it did. Right. I'm at the second hole now. I'm jumping all the way down. Uh-oh. No.
You jump down?
Shit. I don't jump. Oh, I jumped all the way down. Didn't mean to. I'm back at the second floor. I'm coming back. Well, I died. I'm gonna get all my stuff again. I see myself. I just got like the emerald thing, I don't know what it's called. The research ones. You alive? Hello? I hear you. Use your radio. Use your radio. Hello?
Oh, I see you.
My bag's halfway full. There's some gold if you want it. Right, careful, there's about a spider. Oh. A lot of pop stuff on me.
You kill the spider?
I don't know where it went. Let's just investigate further if you want. I shouldn't be too greedy, but find the teleport if you need to go. Uh-oh. I went into a spider web. A lot of gold on me. Oh. Oh, big piece of gold on me.
Oh my god, I'll hold that. I'll hold the big piece of gold.
Yo, I'm actually doing a lot here. Like, there's some gold up here. What is this for?
If you wanna get out, we have to break that thing, alright?
Yeah, no.
Something.
Let's just go
Oh, there's
further.
gold on top of us.
I'm nearly full though. The spider! You good? You good? Sorry, bro. I just ran, bro. I got
He
scared.
didn't even kill me. He didn't even kill me. I was scared.
Right, wait, this is where the basement, isn't it? Not the basement.
Wait, mine is gold with me. Oh.
Wait, the secret tunnel's over here, I think. Like, you know, the bunker.
Yeah, a little bit.
Oh, how'd it go? Right, I found the another secret place. It's over here, I found it. Is there music in here? Oh,
We may actually get rich.
music is intense, bro. You have to like blow something up down here. I'm trying to record a video, you know.
I've mined a private server and I hate that when there's no people. Because it kind of scares me because
I need more gold. I'm not full yet. Big piece of gold up here.
Oh, she's a spider bed.
Screw it, I'm going for these. I don't think you can come down here. Don't go far, don't go far.
Oh, I got gold.
What?
Any gold we... Any gold is good.
My bag is full.
Wait.
Okay, come on, we're gonna destroy that. Okay, you have to be my light, you have to be my light.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm too
You
fat,
want me to
bro.
put... No, I can put that in my backpack. I can put that in my backpack.
Nah, I'll hold that, don't worry.
You want to mine this?
Wait for me. Mate,
Here, I'm just gonna go this way.
I need you for the light, bro.
Yeah. Bro, I'm about to put the crowbar in my backpack.
Come on then.
Okay, you wanna leave now?
Yeah, come on. Here.
Okay, we
That was
made it.
easy, bro. Okay, wait there, let me go sell master first. Let me sell master
Yeah, let me
first.
go- Here, just put all this stuff in.
No, wait, you wait, you wait. You got that, come on. No, you don't.
Oh, your turn to my turn.
I'm selling that. Wait there. What did I get? How much? No, not too bad.
1,000? I got 3 big ones.
much did you get? Did you get 5,000 there? Bro, did you just get 5,000? No, don't tell him, don't tell him. So we're gonna go sewers now.
Wait.
Go.
I'll
You
just buy
definitely got
another.
5,000 there. 1,000. 500. Man, you barely
What?
get anything. To get good money, you'd have to go to, I forgot it's called. Never mind.
I'm still broke. Oh, I got 2,000. Oh yeah. I don't know where I go.
Come on.
I'm broke. Okay. I don't even own the light for real.
Nah, I bought you one, bro.
Oh, I do own the light, honestly.
Do you need this? Oh, you got
No.
one? Okay, let's go sewers, come on.
Princess, please be quiet.
Sam just went ahead.